Hey guys, it's your buddy Rom. Today we're going to take a look at these XR glasses from VITURE. Now these have been on the market for quite some time, but I want to show you guys a really cool way that you can use them, especially for my drone pilots out there who are interested in having a little bit more immersive experience flying your drone. You will be able to connect these glasses, guys, to your controller. I'm referring to the RC2 controller or the N3 controller. And all you have to do is take the cable, very simple setup. This is very, very easy. So I'm gonna show you guys step by step how to do this. First things first, you're just gonna turn on your controller. Just gonna power that guy on. And I'm gonna also turn on this drone just so you guys have something to compare to as far as the video feed coming from it. So let's go ahead and power on this Avata 360. All right, so that guy is on, and our controller should be on as well. All right, so you guys can see here, we're getting video feed from the drone as I move it around, you see. All right, so next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna connect the glasses to the controller. And like I said, this is very simple. And what I like about these glasses is they have the magnetic connector here on the side. And all you have to do is take that, pop that guy on like that. This is gonna stay on pretty good. And then all you have to do is then connect this cable to your controller, like so. And then in just a few seconds, you will be able to see the video feed coming from your controller through the glasses. You guys should be able to see that. So I'm going to move the drone around a little bit so you guys can see you're getting real-time coverage. And what's nice about these glasses is that you also have the ability to open the lenses here so you can see through them, so they're not as opaque. So you guys see that? So you can just press and change that. So if you need to be able to be more aware of your environment, that's not going to interfere with anything, but you're still going to get these very crisp 1080p panels that's going to allow you to fly in very sunny conditions where you need to be a little bit more precise with your flight. I think these are amazing. Now, I have tried this same process with different VR glasses. These I like the most because you do have these diopters that you can adjust for vision. So if you're a little nearsighted, you can adjust them right in the glasses without having to worry about trying to wear glasses or get special prescriptions or what have you. So these turn out to be an excellent solution, at least for me, for flying my drone in some of the brighter conditions that I encounter down here in my state. So if you guys are interested in a way to fly your drone and be more immersive with it, I think this is going to be a great option. All right, guys, it's been your buddy Rome with Rome Knows Tech. Just want to do a quick video showing you guys one of the cool ways that I have been using these VITURE glasses on my day-to-day flights. And yes, even with this 360 drone, it works. It just works. All right, guys, I'll see you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.